Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and so here we are. We're at a project where we don't do this very often. We're actually pulling out some of our work we did a few years ago. Now, what spurred this on was the homeowner decided to add on to the house, and during the construction, things got messed up, and so you can see the remnants of a waterfall here. Well, we got to talking and got to brainstorm, and he loved the idea of adding some water entertainment to this whole system. This used to be an aquaponics system, koi pond down there, waterfall for aeration, and then there was 3 big vertical gardens here. Well, we're going to turn 2 of the vertical gardens back into aeroponic systems, and where one of these is going to remain is an aquaponic system, meaning it takes nutrients from the pond water to grow probably tomatoes, let's say. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend the waterfall, because the waterfall started there, it was a little bit funky. We had a limited budget before, but this time we're going to pop out some of this brick right here. We're going to actually start the waterfall out right here. We're going to give it some zigzag, some interest, and then we're going to add some water entertainment. One thing is called the quintet. The other thing are the water jets. Those are going to be at the bottom. Those are going to be going into the koi pond. Koi pond's deep because we want some big koi. Anyway, we'll keep you apprised of this project. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability and regeneration, think Enviroscape LA. Thanks.